we also believe in giving back. So sa 1961, nabuo kami ng welfare committee. So yung under ng welfare committee, tatlong spearhead na programa. Itong Operation Barrios School ay isa. Yung pangalawa ay 5 volunteers. So yung mga local chambers na gusto magbuo ng 5 volunteers para tumulong sa official na government fire brigades sa mga panahon ng emergency. So tinutulungan ng federation maghanap ng 5 trucks, everything, no? Pangatlo ay yung medical outreach. So through local chambers, they will ask for medical outreach, and the federation will send over teams, medical teams, no? So bakit Barrios School? We Federation believes in the saying na sa halip ng bigyan mo ng isda ang isang tao, mas maigi turuan mo mangingisda, manghuli ng isda.
We, the Osamis Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce, as a local business chamber and member of the Federation, is tasked by the Federation through the effort of our past President, Sir Pershing Tanqueto, and our chairperson, Sir Arthur Chan, in coordinating with the LGU and Pershing Tanqueto Elementary School of Barangay Trigos was chosen to be the beneficiary of the said Barrios School project. This school stands as a symbol of our shared dreams and hard work. A place where young minds will be nurtured, values will be formed, and futures will be shaped. We are truly blessed to witness this memorable day.
This is truly an answered prayer by our school heads, by the teachers, by the parents, by the students. Because every year, the public schools here in Osamis City or even in the whole Philippines always face different challenges, especially during enrollment time. The lack of classrooms is just one of those problems to accommodate the increasing number of enrollees year by year. So with the construction of this new building, that is a gift to us by the Federation of the Chinese Chamber of Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce. The Education for All program and the No Child is Left Behind policy of DepEd. Kaning bitaw, walay dapat bata mahibilin sa balay nga dili musulod og eskwelahan. These programs are being fulfilled now.
Many may not know that the original location of this Barrios School project was supposed to be in the IBJT area of Osamis City back in 2014. But due to lack of financial support, the project was shelved. Then in early 2023, the project was revived for Barangay Tabi Unta. Pero lisod man. Kudlo nun, laog po kayo dito, pinangarabunot ang 1 meter. We don't have the capability to shell out that much money from the Osamis Filipino. So, again, for the same reason, lack of financial support, it was once more discontinued. When I learned in early 2024 that Pershing Tanqueto Senior Elementary School was in need of a new school building, I coordinated with Mr. Jupe Rupinta and discussed the matter with then President Arthur Chan of the Osamis Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce Incorporated. We explored the possibility of constructing this barrio school building using the initial federation budget of 400,000. Kung 2014 pa lang, kung na-ay financial support of 200,000, we can construct a school like this already in 2014. Kaya na kaya ng 600, 650. Pero as years pass by, nagkamahal man ang construction materials. So then I was the president, ako makabulong. But I did not tell this to our members kay o na lang, 20, 30 mil, ay, piyong-piyongan na lang na. Tingnan ta, ato lang i-consider na basa ang simento. Daot. So initially using the 400,000 pesos approved in 2014 with the remaining construction costs to be shouldered by the family of the late Pershing Tanqueto Sr. So, dako kay challenge ni kay 400,000 magtukod ini. You know what was the estimated cost of this? Ako istorya niya. As a trustee of the board back then, 2023, 24, ako pa, trustee pa ko. I was authorized to negotiate with the federation, possibly to use lighter materials. And ko, sir, pwede ba atong ibutang hardiflex lang? Plywood lang atong idinding para masibo sa 400,000. Siya ayaw. So, the federation, through the project coordinator, Mr. Carlos Ligaspi, instead proposed an additional of 450,000. So, nahimog 850,000. So, pero aga pa yung condition. Any excess construction cost would be borne by the family or FYT Hardware Corporation. Gidawat na ako ang challenge kay narapon ni Samo, among pamilya, in honor of my father. Gidawat ako ang challenge sa diferensya. With this support, gikan sa Federation, and my experience in constructing 24 barrio schools, more or less, over 22 years, mga 22 years mo ako na presidente, I was encouraged to pursue the project.